You came here because you want to learn how to dance smooth and clean. So let STEEZY show you how. In dance, being smooth refers to a silky, seamlessly transitioning, confident-looking movement quality. Your moves look like butter, and this can often be paralleled with a sexy dance movement. Being clean refers to how legible your dance moves are. So if you're shaky, or you don't know where your hand or head placements are, or just look a little bit messy, well, you're not clean. But don't worry, we're going over 4 main focuses to get your dancing smoother and cleaner than ever before. Breath punctuation, neck relaxation, leading with awareness, and weight changes and distribution. But honestly, the best way to become a smooth and clean dancer is to take classes from smooth and clean dancers, just like Alexander Chung, Delaney Glazer, Kira Harper, and many more. And you can do that with the STEEZY Studio app. Download it now on iOS and Android to improve your dance abilities today. So, breath punctuation. I don't know if breath punctuation is even a real dance terminology, so if it's not a thing, well, STEEZY's making it a thing. Your movements look unclean and weak if you lack definite pauses and endings, aka punctuation. But the human body is really bad at staying still, so having definite pauses is easier said than done. Let's take inspiration from snipers and photographers. Professionals in these fields hold their breath when they're aiming the shot because it keeps their chest and other body parts from moving like they normally do when we breathe. Then they calmly exhale, which reduces their heart rate and relaxes them so they can take the most accurate shot possible. Just like these marksmen use their breath to increase accuracy, we should use our breath to develop, release, and stop our movements. Dance with accuracy, my friends. Punctuate with your breath, period. Number 2, neck relaxation. Oh, that was good crack. When your neck is more tense than Thanksgiving dinner with family drama, then you just can't dance smoothly. You know, your head doesn't reposition well, your breathing becomes restricted, and you just look stiff and uncomfortable. If you can't seem to overcome a tense feeling in your neck, then start addressing this by taking a few minutes a day doing these simple warm-ups and stretches. In a matter of weeks, you'll start to feel much more relaxed. But always keep in mind that you should warm up before you do your stretches, so you're not pulling on those cold muscles and causing yourself injury. You can also do this fun exercise where you freeze your head in a position and dance for about 4 counts, and then change it up again every other 4 counts. This helps you treat your head like it's an important part of your movement repertoire, as opposed to just this weird ticklish thingy that holds up your head. Number 3, leading with awareness. Now this is where we combine smoothness and cleanliness. Much of the smooth look that dancers achieve actually come from using a single point on the body to lead the rest of their movement. For example, you can use your hip to guide the rest of your body along an invisible pathway. Notice how it looks like Julia here is being pulled by her hips. But oh no, Julia's hands and arms are floating a little bit. Now this is where body awareness comes into play. Don't forget, your arms matter too. So level 12 paladin that bitch and use redemption and revive that arm and give it purpose. Now we have to remember to relax our neck, like we mentioned before. Now use punctuation and add your breath to it. Lastly, you may have noticed when Julia was dancing, she was falling and catching herself, jumping and landing, and putting her legs and feet in different positions. And that brings us to number 4, weight changes. This means exactly what you think it means, changing or redistributing our weight between body parts. This is used to help us balance, leap, accent, or simply just dance the way that we want to dance.
That was too hot. That ball changed.
Too many dancers have such a narrow vision of what weight changes are possible. They think the balls and heels of our feet are the only thing that we can use. But there are so many more options. The sides of our feet, tips of our toes, even our hands, heads, shoulders, and more. And with enough practice, we can use each of these body parts in special and unique ways that are tailored to our own bodies. So now you won't just be smooth and clean, you'll be amazing. Thank you for watching our video, and make sure that you guys subscribe to our channel if you feel smoother and cleaner already. And hit that like button, and make sure you comment down below what other videos you want us to make. We can even bring in some of your favorite dancers if you want it, so hit us up down below, dog. There's like explosions in our hallway right now. Anyways, it's because we're not smooth and clean, they hate us.